Welcome to Chemistry Concept, and let's discuss the difference between evaporation and boiling. First, let's talk about evaporation. Evaporation is a natural phenomena in which the vapors or the water is converted into vapor. Okay, and this takes place at all the temperature. It doesn't matter whether it is hot or it is cold. The evaporation will always take place, whether it is a sunny day of summer or a cold night of December or January or winter. Evaporation will always take place, because we know that, and for example, I'm telling you that always, if there is something which is wet, it will dry, but if it is hot, it will take comparatively lesser time to evaporate all the water, and if it is a cold day, it will take comparatively larger time, but the evaporation will take place. That means evaporation takes place at all the temperature, but the rate of evaporation depends on the temperature. Okay, and it is a surface phenomenon. That means the heat from the you can say surrounding or sun falls on the surface of liquid, and the molecules from the surface gets evaporated or gets converted into vapor, and then again the heat strikes or the energy strikes the surface of liquid, and more molecules go into vapor phase, and this is how slowly entire all the water molecules or all the liquid molecules get converted into vapor. Fine. So it is a comparatively slower process, and it takes place at all the temperature. Fine. And it is a surface phenomenon because the molecule from the surface convert into vapor. On the other hand, if we talk about boiling is a fast process, and it takes place at particular temperature that is called a boiling point of the liquid. That means, let me explain you what is actually boiling. We have a liquid and it is evaporating, but if we raise the temperature, the rate of evaporation will increase, and also the vapor pressure will increase. If I further increase the temperature, further the rate of evaporation will increase, and further the vapor pressure will increase. But suddenly, if I keep on heating, the vapor pressure keeps on increasing, the water or the liquid keeps on converting into vapor, then there comes a point when the vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to 1 atm, that is atmospheric pressure, and that is the time when liquid starts boiling, and that is called the boiling point. So the main thing is, while the evaporation takes place at entire temperature, boiling has a specific temperature to take place, that is called its boiling point. So we can say another thing is, evaporation is a slow process while boiling is a fast process, it's a quick process. Another difference was that evaporation is actually a surface phenomena, but it is not like in boiling. If we heat if we take water in a container and heat the container from its bottom, the water will start boiling. Okay, so it is not necessary that the boiling is a surface phenomena. In fact, boiling is not a surface phenomena, it is a phenomena of entire bulk. It's a bulk phenomena. It is a faster process. It takes place at particular temperature itself, when the vapor pressure becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. And another thing which I can tell you, that boiling takes larger amount of energy as compared to evaporation, and in boiling there is involvement of latent heat of vaporization, that is also involved in our evaporation process, but that is slower. So what is the main difference? Main difference is evaporation slow process, boiling fast process. Evaporation takes place at all the temperature, boiling takes place at a particular temperature, boiling point. Evaporation surface phenomena, boiling bulk phenomena. Fine. Evaporation slow, boiling fast. I hope things were clear to you. Stay tuned, keep subscribe, and don't forget to like and give your feedback into the comment section. Thank you.